Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into Quantconnect, an open-source algorithmic trading platform that claims to be built for quants by quants. But is it really the ultimate platform for algorithmic trading? We spent some time testing it, and here's what we found. First off, Quantconnect runs on Lean, a powerful backtesting engine that supports equities, forex, crypto, options, and futures, all from one place. We were impressed by the wide range of data sources and asset classes you can test across. Plus, the backtest speeds, surprisingly fast. What really stood out to us was the cloud-based coding environment. We didn't need to set up anything locally. Just log in, code in C number or Python, and launch backtest right from the browser. For teams or serious solo traders, this makes collaboration and version control much easier. Now, let's talk about live trading. Quantconnect integrates with several blockers like Interactive Brokers, Kraken, and Coinbase. While setting this up takes some time, we appreciated the documentation and community support available when we hit roadblocks. That said, it's not the most beginner-friendly platform. If you're brand new to algorithmic trading, the learning curve can be steep. But if you have some experience or you're willing to learn, Quantconnect is definitely one of the most robust, transparent, and scalable platforms we've tried. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.